my dear friends. My name is Nitin and today I am going to be basically talking about the structure of IELTS test, IELTS academic test. What does IELTS stand for? IELTS stand for International English Language Testing System. So here I am going to basically talk about the four structures on which you are being tested. If you have to study, if you have to go and study in Canada, US, UK, Australia, New Zealand or Europe for that matter. So IELTS score are definitely going to matter for you, and that is what you should be taking into consideration. For those who already know, fair enough. For those who don't know, this video you should watch till the end, till the time you are comfortable, you are aware of all the four sections of IELTS. Now to start with, we have a reading section. Here you basically will be testing on your reading comprehensions, how you are able to interpret the messages, how you are able to basically interpret the passages, and that is what is going to basically evaluate your competencies in the reading section. You will have a total of 3 reading passages that you are supposed to answer, that you will be you will be allowed to, at the same time you will be supposed to answer, and it is going to be a multiple choice kind of a question format, where out of 4 options, 1 option you will have to tick. So the total duration of the test is 1 hour. The next is, when we move on to, is the writing section. Here you will have 2 tasks, predominantly 2 tasks. The first task is basically a report writing, where you will be given a data. The data will be given in the form of a histogram, bar graph, pie chart, or any such pictorial representation on which you have to very well describe and give a very meaty and a significant description of the data which is given to you. Parallelly, at the same time, once you are done with the section number A, section number B contains the essay. Here, you will be given a topic on which you have to give your opinion, and then you have to write. So the minimum duration, the minimum word limit for the first section, which is the report writing task, would be somewhere around 80 to 100 words. You can even write more, because there are no points deducted for in case if you overshoot with your word limit for that matter. Next is the essay. The minimum word limit is 150 words. You can even overshoot. If you are writing well, I would really advise that you go ahead and you even write for more. But at the same time, keep a check on your grammar and your lexical structures. The duration of the writing section is 1 hour. Then you come to the listening section. In a listening section, you will have multiple tasks, where it is going to be data-driven report, it is going to be dialogue, it may be a monologue as well. You will be expected to answer as and when you hear the tape. Some of the tasks may be repeated, some of them may just go in one go. At the same time, in case if they are repeated, my advice is that you should have your answer ready in the first listening chance itself, in the first listening attempt, because the next listening attempt will basically allow you to confirm your answers so that you get the best grade. The total duration of this section is 40 minutes. So let me tell you one thing. Till now I have covered reading, writing and listening. So this is basically a collective test which happens on a single day. LRW, which is listening, reading and writing. So listening, it will start with listening with a duration of 40 minutes, then reading with a duration of 1 hour, then writing again with a duration of 1 hour. So 2 or 40 minutes test, it will be taken on one single day. Then we move over to the speaking section. So before I come to the speaking section, let me tell this to you. Speaking section is normally conducted 2 or 3 days prior to, or 2 or 3 days after the LRW test of your IELTS. So it will be happening on a one single day. So here you will be basically asked questions. You will be basically tested and evaluated on your grammatical skills, on your pronunciation, on your accent, on your promptness, how well you are able to answer any such question, how well you are able to describe a situation, describe your experience in a correct grammatical structure, in a correct manner, in a correct, I would say, English sentence structuring, right? This is how you will be evaluated and tested. Always remember that your willingness to engage with the evaluator, at the same time just answering all the questions in the right time limit, within a matter of 30 seconds of us asking the question. That is what will help you fetch a good band. So when I talk about a good band, what comes to your mind? Normally, in case if you're looking for immigration or even admissions in Canada, UK, Australia, you should be getting a minimum band of 6.5 to 7. So this is something which you should be aiming at. And 6.5 to 7 should be an average band which you should be getting in each and every section, which is reading, writing, listening and speaking. That is when you can expect to get admission in any good college or get an immigration in any good country as well. This is what will really pave the way for you. That is what you should be looking at. So let me tell this to you. I prepare all my students for all these sections of IELTS, which is reading, writing, listening and speaking. And if you are looking to enroll for the classes, you can very well go to our follow our YouTube channel, follow our social media handles as well, and you can follow me. At the same time, you can, if you want, you can even take the classes whether in online or an offline basis as well, because I have been taking classes for a lot of my students who are from overseas, who are from outside India, within India, anywhere, in any city in India. So that is how it is, and I prepare them for their ultimate goal, which is to ace the IELTS section, which is to ace the IELTS exam. And I really wish you good luck, and I really look forward to having you on board for my classes, be it online or offline, or you can like, share and subscribe to our social media handle. Thank you very much and good luck.